Connecting to Tello overview. In this section, we're going to cover connecting to our Tello. I'm going to show you how to connect with various devices. So first things first, what I want you to do, grab a Tello, grab a battery, put it in, turn it on, and observe what happens. Pause this video, go do that, and come back when you're done. It should take you about 20 seconds. I'll wait. So what you would have noticed is when you turned it on, it blinked red a few times, and then it started going green, orange, red, then red, orange, green. That's the drone doing a self-diagnostics test, making sure it's all good to fly. And then, if it passes all those tests, it starts blinking orange. Now, what orange blinking means is it's now broadcasting a wireless network that we can connect to with our various devices. When it's broadcasting wirelessly, if you take the battery out and you look just down in here, as you can see on our boards, it says Wi-Fi Tello-AB6508, I think it is. That's your unique wireless name. It's unique to every Tello. If you don't believe me, go grab some out of your fleet and have a look. They all have different numbers. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to turn this on. I'm going to connect to a Tello using an iPad, a Mac, a PC, and a Chromebook. So let's look at what that looks like. I have got, let's start with the iPad. I've got the Tello turned on. The wireless is now broadcasting. So I go to settings, and then I go to Wi-Fi, and then I can see Tello's on the list. There it is. So if I tap on Tello down at the bottom, it now will connect to it. Dun, 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 dun. Connecting. Done. How cool is that? We've now connected with our iPad. Now what I want to do is move on to my Mac. On the Mac, we just go up to our top menu with the Wi-Fi. We click on that. We wait for Tello to appear. There it is. Not yet. Wait for it. There it is. Okay, so I click on Tello. It's connecting. Done. Amazing. Okay, so now let's look at the next device. So on a PC, this is a little Surface Book using Windows 11. I click on the Wi-Fi icon at the bottom. Then this menu pops up, and I click on the Wi-Fi arrow. It shows me all the available networks. There it is, Tello. Click on Tello, and wait for it to establish a connection. Now, some devices will take longer than others, but look at that. We're connected. Now, what you'll also notice is it says no internet. It also says unsecure device on the Apple's device because this wireless network has no password. Now, that makes it get flagged as unsecure. It also has no internet because, well, I'm connected to the Tello instead of my internet. So it's just reminding you that when you're connected to a Tello, you do not have internet access because this does not give you internet. Lastly, let's get this Chromebook here. Okay. Now, on my Chromebook, down here, okay, so if I click on the wireless icon at the very bottom of the screen, and then I click on my wireless and the little arrow here, and we're looking for Tello. There it is. Click on Tello, and connected. Amazing. So, that's what it looks like to have 4 different methods of connecting. We need to celebrate. Hang on. That's better. Confetti makes everything better. Okay, so now you've seen 4 different examples of how to connect, and it's very straightforward. Battery in, turn on, wait till it's blinking orange, connect to the name of the device on your machine, whichever you're using in the classroom. Now, in the next video, we're going to take and build upon this connection. We are now going to connect to the Tello, download the Tello app. Yes, not the DroneBlocks app, the Tello app. And we're going to use that Tello app to update these to the latest firmware so that we can use them with the DroneBlocks software. It's going to be very cool. If you want to rewind and rewatch any segments of these, or better yet, if you take some of your Tellos, charge up the batteries, turn them on, and just practice connecting to them with the different classroom devices. If you have any issues, you can reach out to support. But if you are connecting successfully, you're ready to move on to the next lesson, I'll be waiting, and I'll see you there.